My name is Faizan Gawani. I'm a second-year MBA student at the Berkeley School of Business. I'm also a transgender Muslim, and my activism is rooted in education in my community of faith. So business school is traditionally a very white-heavy, male-heavy place. Though as someone committed to bringing all of my identities to any place that I work, it can also get quite lonely, and not just socially and emotionally lonely, but also intellectually lonely. And with graduate education already being quite siloed, the interdisciplinary ACES space honestly has held the nuance that I've needed since I've started. This program especially matters to those of us on the margins, I think, for many reasons, though here are top three. So the first is that there's no traditional space that I can walk in and talk about my lived experiences, my activism, queer activism with Muslim elders, and my business school education. It's a place that I can be grounded in community and also bring my personal and professional identities together in a space. And lastly, the guest speakers in the readings are phenomenal. They are both challenging, but they also resonate with us deeply because we need them. This is the journey that we're on, and to have a place curated for us to ask questions in that journey, not only about our own activism and our relationship to our work, but also our relationship to ourselves and to each other. And for a graduate student to have that gift of space and time to reflect more intentionally amongst our peers of different disciplines with a similar goal, I think that's rare. And I think this program is critical for us as we move forward. Thank you.